I'm Dr. Elissa Falconer. I'm a colorectal surgeon at Premier Surgical at the Fort Sanders location. As a colorectal surgeon, I treat a range of diseases from cancer to non-cancer, which include cancers of the colon, rectum, and anus, as well as non-cancers, including inflammatory bowel disease, which is Crohn's or ulcerative colitis, diverticulitis, as well as anorectal diseases like hemorrhoids or fissures. A lot of people find that medicine's their calling, and some people find that medicine calls to them. During childhood, I was always drawn to the sciences, and I followed this interest when I went to college and studied biochemistry. And I found I was most connected with those doctors who came and spoke about medicine. After college, I took 1 year and worked as an EMT in the suburbs of Pittsburgh. After that, I started medical school at Georgetown University in DC, and then matched into residency at Emory University in Atlanta, where I completed my 5 years. And during that time, I additionally took 2 years to complete a Quality Scholars Fellowship at the Atlanta VA. Afterwards, I completed my Colon and Rectal Surgery Fellowship at University of Louisville. I was born and raised in the suburbs of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and growing up, shooting competitive target archery with a compound bow was a big part of my upbringing. I started when I was about 11 years old at the local level and continued this at the national and international level by the time I was in college. Performance improvement was very important to me, and at first that meant me personally while I was competing at archery, but as I started to study medicine, I started to see how performance improvement and patient outcomes are extremely important. I prioritize listening to my patients and creating treatment plans that integrate smoothly into their daily lives. Building trust through open and honest communication is at the heart of my practice. One of the things that drew us to Knoxville was the outdoors and having the Great Smoky Mountains so close by. You can catch me and my husband and our 2 dogs out there frequently. While in training nearly 4 years ago, my husband took a job here locally in Knoxville. As I was wrapping up my training, we thought, where would the perfect place be to settle down and plan our roots? Knoxville seemed like that perfect place. As I was looking into practices in the Knoxville area, Premier Surgical continuously came up upon my research for a great place to start my career.